Hello everyone, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'm going to show you how to send money from PayPal to PayPal. So let's get started. First of all, open your preferred browser on your Android phone and go to the official PayPal website at paypal.com. Log into your PayPal account using your username and password. Once you are logged in, tap the three horizontal lines in the top left corner to open the main menu. Tap on the send option to start the transfer process. Next, you will need to enter the recipient's email address or mobile number linked to their PayPal account. After that, choose the amount you want to send and select the payment method, either from your PayPal balance or linked bank account. You can also add a note or message to the recipient if you want. Once everything looks good, just hit next and review the details before confirming the payment. Finally, once you confirm the transfer, PayPal will process the payment and you will get a notification confirming that your money has been sent. The recipient will also get a notification and the money will appear in their PayPal account shortly after. And that's it. Now you know how to send money from PayPal to PayPal. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, share and subscribe for more tech tips. Thanks for watching and I'll see you in the next one.